Hello, my name is Diego Riveros. I'm a winner of Goal of Summer of Code 2020, and here's my project, simple CMS of Liquid Galaxy. We're going to talk about the technical parts of this application. You're going to see the screen of the tablet on the top of the video. Now you can see that there is a username, a password, and the URL to connect to the Liquid Galaxy that is behind me. This is going to be done by a SSH connection protocol on the 22 port of the computer. So when I click on the try again, it's going to send echo flight to view to San Francisco. In this moment we are not going to do this. We go to create and we go to location, and this is the information that is going to be sent to the Liquid Galaxy to give us the position or the location that we wrote. So we're going to write the latitude, longitude, altitude, duration, heading, tilt, range, and altitude mode. So this is going to send echo, the command with all this information, to the file /temp /query period dot test, and it's going to send us to the position. Then we're going to go to movements, and we're going to see that there is a duration, the old heading, and the old T of the position that we added before of the location, and two scroll bars. That the one of the horizontal is the heading, and the one of the vertical is the tilt. And finally we have the orbit mode. We're going to do this, we're going to send the same echo flight to view in both cases, but we're going to use the heading only. So we're going to do a 360 rotation around the point with the whole heading at the beginning, and we finish with the whole heading. Finally, the next one is the balloon. We have a text that we're going to show, a duration for the balloon that is going to be shown in the Liquid Galaxy, the video URL that we want to add, and add an image. So we click on the image, we open the gallery, and we select an image. In this case, the image is going to be sent to the Liquid Galaxy to a location, bar www/HTML. Here it's really important that you need to know that you need to send the file of the image, in this case the one of Barranquilla. The other one is the file of the KML, this same path that I just said. And finally you need to send it to the same path with camls.txt. Is where Liquid Galaxy is going to find is going to search the camel. So you need to in this case to put localhost 81. The port is really important, needs to be 81. If not, it's not going to work, and it's going not to find the camel. And there you write in this localhost 81 /balloon camel for this case. Then we're going to send a balloon. Then we're going to shapes, and we need to send the camel to, and we need to write in the camels.txt where is the camel. In this case we can add a point, how many points you want. We can delete the last point, or we can delete all the points until we have only 2 points. Minimum we need to have 2 points to do a line in the Liquid Galaxy. We have the option strip if you want to add it or no. This option is to put the point, and it's going to add all the ground until the floor. And after this we can clean the storyboard. If you want cleaning the storyboard, we can save it locally. So we save it locally, and we see in my storyboards. So in this case, to save it locally, we use SQLite with the ROM application of Android Studio. So with this, I have a layer, abstract layer, to use it for the SQLite. After that, if we want to import some data for the Google Drive, we click on import, but we need to first be login in the application. So here, the login is going to be saved in shared preference, and you write in this case LG, and you can be login, and you can log out to change the password. Then we go to import again. We connect to Google Drive. I choose my account to connect to Google Drive, and you can see the file. Save it. This file saved it before. After that, with this connection and how to upload it to Google Drive, I decided to do things. To use a JSON file. So I used the implementation of a JSON packer to unpack the storyboards in a JSON format, and then upload it to Google Drive. And when I download it, I unpack it, put it in a string, and then create the storyboard. Another thing is that in this case, the images, they are going to be reformatted into byte arrays, so I can save space to Google Drive. When I download it, I create the image of the byte array and save it in the tablet. And that's all. Thank you. Hello, my name is Diego Riveros. I'm a winner of Google Summer of Code 2020. And here is my project, a simple CMS for Liquid Galaxy. You're going to see the screen of the tablet on the top of the video. So you can see that there is a username, a password, a URL to connect to the Liquid Galaxy behind me. So I'm going to click on the bottom try again, and this is going to send us to San Francisco. And here, okay, then I'm going to go to create. I put some data for a storyboard for this test, and I'm going to go to the first icon, that is a location. I'm going to click on test, and this is going to send us to Barranquilla in the Liquid Galaxy. Then I'm going to go to the next action, that is a movement, and I'm going to click on test. After that, I go for the next action, that is a balloon, and it's filled with some data, and click on test. There is it. After that, I'm going to draw a shape on the ship, and I click on test. You can see it now. And finally, I'm going to do an orbit on the position. Okay, you can test the whole storyboard in the create, and you're going to click on test to do this. So we are in the location on the Barranquilla, so it's going to send us there, that we are there, and then it's going to do the moment. The balloon, the shape, and finally the orbit. We can save this storyboard locally or in Google Drive. So we're going to save it locally first. You can see that it's saved. We go into my storyboards, and there is it. You can delete it if you want to, and then save on Google Drive. But we need to be logged in on the application, so we need to go first to the account. We're going to type LG and click on login. Now that we are on the application, login on the application, we're going to save the file on Google Drive. We register us with my account, and then we're going to go to import to connect to Google Drive. We can see the file is saved. We're going to open it and check that every action is saved perfectly. Okay, thank you.